Why am I feeling like
Want you to be mine, and I want you to be mine.
Good morning, fam. Happy Labor Day weekend. Today is Saturday, September 4th. We are currently here in Sacramento. It's because this is where my nephew goes to school. He goes to University of the Pacific. But today we're gonna go to San Francisco. But before we head there, let's have breakfast. Let's go. Alright fam, so I was just downstairs. I went to go get the free breakfast. We're currently staying here at the hotel. I'm actually sharing the room with Mother Hen. Ma, say hi.
Hi, good morning.
So, I was gonna heat up the bagel that I got from downstairs, but there was a line there, so I didn't want to wait, so I went back up. Alright, let's eat this so we can leave. Let's go.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
Where are we going?
San Francisco.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Alright fam, so we made it here in San Francisco. We are currently here at our first stop. It's a Japanese tea garden. Look, check it out. My family is over there. So we're walking towards the entrance right now. I'll vlog again when we get there. Alright guys, so we finally made it here to the front entrance, but look at this, it looks super nice. But you know what, there's a really long line over there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go walk over there now. Actually, my mom's already over there. Look at this massive line. Alright guys, so we've been waiting in line for maybe like 20 minutes now. We're finally here at the front. This is where you get the ticket. Right there. And this is what it looks like inside. We're gonna go get the tickets now. And then I'll show you guys what's inside. Alright guys, so we just walked in here, but my sister already wanted to take pictures. Look at her. Guys, look at this place. Wow guys, this place is so magical. Looks super nice here, guys. Look at this place. fam, so we're finally all the way up here. Look, check this out. It looks super nice. That's the pagoda. Look at that. So we're waiting in line. Alright, let's go. Alright fam, so we're now in like the jungle, in the middle of the jungle. Look. Check it out. So they're still taking pictures over there, you guys. Wow, this place is epic. Everywhere you go, it's like spots for like Instagram. You can just go everywhere here and you can just take pictures everywhere. It looks so nice. Wow. And they also have a restaurant here, you guys, but it's pretty packed. We would love to go there, but look, there's so many people. The food looks good though. Look, let me show you their menu. It looks pretty authentic. Look at. So that's their menu here. Look at those green tea matchas. But look at the people down there. Also, there's like a gift shop over here. Look at this. Check this out. Alright guys, if you guys want to check out this place, it's called Japanese Tea Garden. It's in San Francisco. Really worth it. Super nice here. Alright guys, so we just left the gardens, the Japanese Tea Gardens. It's over there in the back. But look, just right across the street, check this out. They have all the food trucks here. So if you guys get hungry after there, so there are maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4 food trucks. Alright, and also right next to the food trucks, so the food trucks are over there. So if you go to the left over here, look, check this out. I don't know what's the name of this place. It looks like a park, but there's like an amphitheater over there. Looks like someone performs there or something. Looks nice here, guys. And again, it's just right across the street from the Japanese Tea Gardens. Wow, I love this park, you guys. I just wish I know the name of it. People are just chilling here. They're like having a picnic or something. Look, check it out. Chilling.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
As always, my sister's posing again. Check it out.